Okay, hi YouTube. I think you noticed something about me today. I'm looking on my side. Okay, so as you know, I think I made a playlist called Subscribing Psycho. It's gonna be a show along with blah blah blah. It's about me talking about all this crazy stuff. And I kinda made a fail show. It was called Norlax Tips or Norlax Suggestions. It's from Club Penguin. I put it here. Take a look at that if you want to see some clipping and stuff. And it's the same day. I just changed my shirt. Anyone who wants to see some Jonas Brothers things, you can click on Maddie Fawn's channel. Should I put it here? Maddie Fawn's channel. And makeup and clothes. Twinkle Twinkle's channel. She's my friend. What else should I say? My mom's eating, so I can make it up if I want right now. I should be making my blah 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 episode tomorrow. I hope you guys are excited for that and subscribing for that. I have the cough. It's very bad. Okay, this is just a dress with a bunch of verifying. Want me to go get... You know what? I'm just gonna stay here and talk with you. Any questions they want me to answer, like just anything they want me to answer that's about me or anything that you think I might know the answer to, you can tell me in the comments, ask me in the comments, whatever you want, and I think that's all. My voice is cracking. Don't ask me any math questions. Quit.